Hello, today we are going to learn how to set up correctly your workspace. The most important things to check is how to see your toolbar. The toolbar is the rectangle where you can find all the instruments, the tools you need to use to create artworks in Illustrator. Here you can see a lot of icons, but this is only the basic toolbar. If you want to see all the tools in Illustrator, you need to go to the top menu, choose Window, click on Window, and then Toolbars and Advanced. Now you can see that new icons appear on the left. The second important things you need to check is if you can see the property windows, this one on the right, and also the layer window. If you don't see these two windows, you just need to go to the top menu, choose Window, and then you need to click on the pop-up window you want to make visible. You have to click Layers and then Properties. The property window is very important because it can tell you details about all the objects that you have on your artwork. For example, if I put a text here, I say hello and I select it. Here I can see the font, the dimension, the paragraphs alignment, and different kind of information. But if I draw a rectangle and I selected, here I can see the dimension of the rectangle, the color of the border. Now there is no colors for the border, and the transparency of this object. If I click on the text, I can see the detail of the text, and then if I click again on the rectangle, the information are going to change and I can see the detail of the rectangle.